caves to this game. That's what they're called, noodle caves. You can see it has a jagged edge there. That's because of how the caves are generated with 3D. So this is how it's generated in 2D. It's pretty simple. Just use the Pro noise. And I wanted to add curvature to the road, a slight curvature, not too much, just to kind of make it look a little bit better. So this is me trying to program it on my first try, and definitely having trouble. I took a while for some of it. Yeah. So just wait. Yeah, I was definitely having troubles trying to figure out those vertex thing. Assign cannot convert temp4 component vector flow. Yeah. And I realized I had to get rid of the vec4 thing, I think, right? Yeah, times model view. So, I made a rotate vector2 function. It just rotates the vector around the center using the rotation matrix, sine and cosine. So you need to save it, that's why it was showing that red line for so long. Now, here we go. Yeah, it was flipped, so... Oops, yeah, alright. I had to make them negative, so that wouldn't flip it like that. And now it's curved like a ball, and not like a Pringle chip, kind of how curving works, yeah. So it just bends it on the origin, that's all. Which is just underneath the player, and it moves with the player. So, yeah, this is how I'm adding, breaking and placing blocks. So, I was thinking of using this Bresenham line drawing algorithm, but in 3D, and then using that to raycast into the terrain. But I was having a hard time trying to implement that, so I decided to step every unit away from the player in the direction it's facing, and then check if there's a block there, and then if there is, then break that block if you click, or
Place a block off
the face of the block you're looking at if you right click. That's all. Yep. Then trees. So this is how I added trees to the game. So there's a problem with generating trees in Minecraft-like games. Like, you can't generate a tree on the edge of a chunk because it'll clip off the edge. So I did this really smart thing where I just created the terrain and then the trees outside of the chunk, and then just delete that data when you generate the chunk. And then this is how you added water. You can read that. Yeah. The water was like the easiest part. Alright, so I might make part 2 where I'll add red lighting, survival mode, and maybe saving, and I'll definitely add saving in a logging world, so that's pretty important. Yes, survival mode, for sure. And then you also need to change what block you're breaking or placing. Right now you only place one block. This game is just really simple right now. I'll make a part 2, which I probably will, yeah. I'll add more complicated things to the game to make it just extremely simple. Alright, so, bye.